how do I keep my balance? How do I find my rhythm? So let's start with balancing. Let's start with...
But what I teach is to bring your arms from your waist to your chest, okay? Just good reference points. Do they always have to be just here, there? No. Just reference points, okay? This is for fun. This is for people who want to have fun. This is for people who want to take it from the level that they're at right now and take it to another level. You're tired of being at the level you're at, okay? So let's take it to another level. Some people have been skating for 20 years and have come to me and said, you know what? I've been skating the same way for all these years. I want to learn some more, but I want to stay in my comfortable zone. So they've gotten comfortable with how they skate, but they just want to be able, how do I take it up? Just step it up a notch. Maybe their arms are always here and they've always skated like this, right? And they just skate like that. They just back and forth like this, right? Maybe now they want to skate like this. So I teach that. I help people raise your arms, but how can you raise your arms if you don't have complete balance? If you don't have complete control? If you don't have the coordination to move your legs and your arms at the same time, right? So this is an introduction. This is...
So keep practicing.
Don't worry about